In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter J. Let's see how to write the letter J. It starts with a vertical line from the top, goes down at the bottom, curves back to the left and stops. Finish off with a horizontal line over its head, like that. The capital J. The small letter J starts at halfway from the top and goes down below the baseline to curve back left and ends with a dot on top, like that. Let's see that one more time. Capital J. Small letter J. Let's learn the phonetic sound of J. J makes the sound J, 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 as in jump. I love to jump on the trampoline. J, as in jellyfish. Some jellyfish glow in the dark. J, as in jungle. The jungle is home to most animals and birds. J, as in jam. I like to eat bread and jam for my breakfast. Let's look at all the words one more time. J, jam. J, jellyfish. J, jungle. J, jump. Wonderful.